Okay, so you're going to fill out the vocab terms via the PDF that's on Canvas. So go do that before you watch the rest of this video so that you have all those definitions. They're not anything I need to explain. They will make sense as you do them. Okay, so we are going to use the diagram to the right to name the following. So first we want 4 collinear points. Remember, collinear points are points that are in a straight line together. So that would be points H, N, K, and I. So that's what we're going to write, H, N, K, and I. So points H, N, K, and I. Alright? Next, a line that contains point M. So if we look here, when we name a line, we can name a line using 2 points. So we could say that this is line MN. And don't forget, we have to put our line symbol up there. Okay? This could also be line NO. This could also be line MO. Okay? Now we can also denote it by the small script letter. Okay, this could also be line P. Okay? So that's the ways we can write that. A line that contains point H and K. So H and K, again, we can name this HN. We can name this HK. We could name this HI. Okay? And then we could do the same thing. We could do NK, NI, and then KI. Alright? And then we can also use the script letter and call that line R. Alright? So another name for line Q, okay, would be like line JK, line JL, or line KL. Right? The intersection of points P and R. So, or of lines P and R. So the intersection of 2 lines is a point. So remember, the intersection of 2 lines is a point. So we're looking for a point where P and R intersect. So PR intersect at point N. Okay? Alright, so we do another one. A line containing point F. So if we look here, there's numerous ways to name this line. I'm going to just use the script letter and use line J. You can name it line DE, line EF, or line DF. Okay? Another name for line K. So if we look at line K, that's going to be, let's name it by 2 points. So that's line BE. Okay? A plane containing point A. So if we look at this, this is a plane, right? And this is A, so this would be plane M. Because remember, we name planes by their upper script letter. An example of 3 non-collinear points. It means they're not in a straight line together. So that would be points B, A, and D. See, B, A, and D are not in a straight line. D's on this line, B's on this line, and A is in the plane. Okay? The intersection of plane M and line K. So the intersection of a plane and a line is a point. So this dot means that the line is coming outside the plane. So if we look, here's our plane and here's our line. The intersection is here going to be point E. Okay? Alright. So again, you're going to make sure you have filled these out already. Okay, and I'm going to go to the stuff that I need to explain. Always fill in all the vocab terms first, and then come and do the rest of the video. So, example 2, naming segments and rays. Okay, name 3 segments. So segments stop at each point, right? So there's segment DE, and you notice it doesn't have the arrows on there. Okay. Segment DF, that's a segment. And segment EF. Okay. Now I'm going to name 3 rays. Remember, rays have 2 points. So we could do DF, and it looks like this. So there's 1 arrow. DE, 1 arrow. Okay, and then we could also do backwards. We could do FD. That's a different ray. So that's kind of nice. Name the ray opposite of EF. So opposite rays, so we know this is ray EF, have the same beginning point but go in the opposite direction. So that would be ray ED. Okay? Alright, remember, go fill the rest of this out, okay, via the PDF. Those I do not need to explain. Okay? So stop the video and go fill out all the vocab terms. Alright?